I want to say welcome to Hanging with Mrs. Hayward. We are doing a fun math activity, and we're going to use the abacus to do it. So there's so many great activities that you can do with the abacus. So many amazing things that you can do with the abacus. We use this already. We've done some lessons with this already. I'm just going to move this back so we have a bit more view. We've done some lessons with this already, doing counting by tens. We did some addition with the abacus. And today we're going to do the playing with the twos, just like in our book. So we're going to do two too many. So we're going to add 2 to our numbers. That's funny. Okay, so I'm going to start. And if I have the number 1 over here, and I add 2 more, how many do I get? If I have the 1 over here and I add 2 more, how many do I get? And I'm going to write out the question so that you can see it. So you can have an idea of what I'm talking about and what that looks like in numbers. Tell me, pop it down in the answers. Work with me here, boys and girls. Work with me. Mrs. Hayward's having a day. I need some support. Okay, so tell me, I have 1. I want to add 2 more. How many do I have? So that's 1 plus 2 equals, what is it? Good job, Leah, Kian, Clara, Ziad, Chelsea, Ella. Amazing. Okay, so this is great. We started with some successes, right? So we're feeling confident. We're getting this. So the answer is 3. If you said 3, then you are correct. Excellent. Good job, Ashana. So we added 3. So now to our 3, we're going to add 2 more. What is that? So 3 plus 2. What is that? What is 3 plus 2? 3 plus 2 is, we had 3 and we added 2 more. What is it? What is it? Yes. You've got it, Lydia. You've got it, Leah. Excellent. Good job. You've got it, Kian. Leah's got it. Yes. You've got it. If you said you got it, Clara, Ashana, Kian, Ella, Ziad. If you said 3 plus 5, you're correct. Absolutely. Okay, excellent. So the next question we're going to do is, now we have 5, we're going to add 2 more. 5 plus 2. What is it? 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2. What is it? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 2. You've got it, Lydia. It's 7. If you said 7, you are correct. Okay, so that was our warm-up, all right? So I'm going to put all these back, and we're going to do something different now. So we're going to do, basically, this is going to be math, but we're going to use our counting by 2 skills. So that was our warm-up. I tried to mix it up a little bit. Good job, Leah, Ian, Ashana, Riley, Ella. Good try, Dylan. Ziad. Excellent. Okay, so let's start from the, I said 7, right? I did say 7. Sarah is having a moment today. Holy smoly. If you said 5 plus 2 is 7, you are correct. Okay, so I'm going to change it up now. So we're going to go 0. We're going to start from 0. 0 plus 2 is how many? Some people get tricked when we start with the 0 one. So this is kind of hard. So I didn't want to start right away. So basically it means if you have nothing and then you add 2, how many do you have? If you have nothing and you add 2, pop it down in the comments. So 0 plus 2, what is that? Sometimes the 0 tricks kids up a little, so I don't like to start with that. So I wanted to warm you up and get you in the feel. But now we're ready to go and look at the patterns. Ziad is very happy being with you. Aw, that's so nice, Ziad. I'm so happy you're here too. 0 plus 2. What is 0 plus 2? So you had none and you add 2. You've got it, Clara. You've got it, Leah. Good try, Ashana. Try again. Good job, Ella, Leah, Chelsea. Amazing. So if you said 0 plus 2 is 2, you're correct. Okay. And stay with me, smarty pantses, because we're going to get harder. Okay, so now we have 2 plus 2 more. How many is it? 2 plus 2 more. How many is that? 2 plus 2 more, just like in the book, Too Many. 2 plus 2 more. Ziad, good job. You got it. And Ashana, good. I like how Ashana didn't give up. The first time she got it wrong, and she didn't give up. She didn't cry. She didn't get upset. She just tried again. I love it. Ziad said 2, yes. Okay, so 2 plus 2. We started with 2, added 2. What is it? 4. Excellent. You said 4. You are correct. Good job, Kian. Good job, Leah. Good job, Ella. Chelsea. Elsie. Who's my kid? Good job, Ashana. Good job, Riley and Clara. What? You guys are so smart. Okay, next question. 4 plus 2 more. 4 plus 2 more. How many is that? 4 plus 2 more. We don't even need these ones. We could cover them up. So we did 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2. We put them together. How many do we get? 4 plus 2. I'll let you think about that while I have a sip of my coffee. Four plus 2, ladies and gents. Good job, Kian. And if it's tricky, you can count. You can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or another strategy Mrs. Hayward uses when we get to bigger numbers is I put the big number inside my head and then I count on. So I would say 4, 5, 6. And that's how I got it. Good job, Ashana got it. Clara got it. Kian got it. Leah, Dylan, Chelsea, Ella, and Ziad. Amazing job. Okay, good job. Okay, so now we're going to do 6 plus 2 more. 6 plus 2 more. Can you tell me what that is? 6 plus 2. You can do the counting strategy, counting by ones, or you can put the Mrs. Hayward strategy and put 6 in your head and add 2 more. Count on from 6. We're counting play cupcakes to get today. That's awesome. That is such a good job. Yes, absolutely. Use counters in front of you if you want to keep adding. That makes it so much easier. I know Ella uses shells sometimes when she's counting. And some of our friends are using cupcakes, and some of our friends are using little counters, little dinosaurs. Chelsea has little dinosaurs and little bears that she uses. So using counters is so smart. Riley's got it. Ashana's got it. Kian's got it. And Leah's got it. You are right. If you said 6, 7, 8, you are right. Good job. Okay, last one for this row. because we're going to get trickier, is now 8 plus 2 more. That's okay. That's okay. Dylan's doing great. 8 plus 2 more. Chelsea's doing her own comments too, so that's totally cool. Don't worry. 8 plus 2 more. 8 plus 2 more. What is that? Put it together. You can put the big number 8 in your head, and you can add 2 more, count on, or you can count by ones. So you could go 6, 7, 8. Wait, sorry. Oh, this is Hayward. Have another drink of coffee. We're on 8. We could put 8 in our head and add 2. So we could say 8, 9, 10. Or we could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And if you said 10, which Leah did, Dylan did, Kian did, Chelsea did, Ashana did, Ella did, all these people said 10 even before I told you, because there is a delay in the view. So that's amazing. Clara said 10 too. Thank you. Okay. Whew, that was a good one. Can we do a couple tricky ones before we go for the day? This is just for the older kids. So if you are, if this is tricky for you, that's okay. Just watch. Sometimes when you watch things that are a bit hard, you might learn a little bit of it. So if this is tricky, that's okay. So we're going to do 10 plus 2 more. So we have our 10 up here plus 2 more we added to that. How many is that all together? That's 10 plus 2. How many is that all together? Now remember, you can do 2 strategies. You can count by ones all the way to find your answer, or you can put the big number 10 in your head and then count on and say 10, 11, 12. Or you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Counting by ones is a great early strategy. When you get really good at numbers, you would want to put that big number in your head so that you don't have to, you save time. It's just a time saver. Great job. Kian got it. Leah got it. Dylan got it. Whoa, these are really, really good. This is a hard question. Alexis got it. Chelsea got it. Excellent. So what we've been doing here right now, boys and girls, is we've been counting by 2s. We've been doing math, but we've also been counting by 2s. Okay, so we're going to do another one. 12. 12 now. We have 12. 12 plus 2 more. 12 plus 2 more. How many do we have all together? This is getting tricky. This is getting tricky. You know what? It'd actually be cool if I could go like this and cover these. How many do we have all together? So that is 12 plus 2 more. So you could count by ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, or you could count by big number in your head. So you could say, oh, I already knew that was 12, and then you could go 13, 14. Easy peasy. Okay, Leah got it, Kian got it, Ashana got it. Alexis said 13. So close, Alexis, and I love that. You know what? Some of the smartest people in the world make mistakes. Making mistakes is how you become a better learner and you become super smart. So I love when my kids make mistakes, I love it because I'm like, whoa, you're just about to become a brain surgeon. You're going to get so, so smart because we learn when we make mistakes. Alexis says 14 now. Good job. Kian says 4. But I think you mean 14 because I see 14 up ahead. And I think Kian is working the tablet on his own too, or the phone on his own too. Okay, so we've got 14, and we are going to add 2 more to that. 14, and we're going to add 2 more. We're going to go a few minutes over because we had some delays today. So I want to make sure that we get in the full lesson. Okay, so if you can bear with us, I would really appreciate that. We are going to go a few minutes over today. Okay, so we have 14 plus 2 right now. 14 plus 2. 14 plus 2. What is it? Ella got it. Great. Dylan got it. Great. And Ziad got it. Excellent. Excellent. We just have 3 questions left and then we are done. But I'm going to do something super cool to wrap it up at the end, and I don't want you to miss that. Okay, so you could say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 to get your answer. Or you could say, I already know those are 14. Put the big number in my head and count on 15, 16 when I add 2 more. So you could definitely do that strategy. So Leia's got that answer. Ashana got it. Alexis got it. Good job. So, so good. Okay, so the next one we're going to do is 16 plus 2 more. So we're going to do 16 plus 2 more. So now we're getting into some tricky questions. So this is definitely a grade 1 question. So for you, if you're looking at this and going, oh my, Mrs. Hayward, this is a grade 1 question. So it's just good to watch. Sometimes you can go, is that what the grade 1s are doing? I think I can do that one day. Okay, so we've got 16 plus 2. So again, pop your answers down below. Good job, Kian. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I could count by ones, or I can put the big number in my head and do 16, 17, 18 to save time. Good job. Leia got it. Kian got it. Ashana got it. Love it. These are tricky ones, but those kids that are getting it right there, they're grade 1s. Dylan got it. Alexis got it. Great job. Chelsea got 16. That was a good try, Chelsea. Very, very good try. It was 16 plus 2 more. So you have to do 16, 17, 18. But such a good try. Riley got it. Excellent. Okay, last one, boys and girls. So now we have 18 here, and we want to add these 2 more. 18, and we want to add these 2 more. This is our last question. Okay, so 18 and 2 more. So we can count by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We can count by ones. And parents, I just want to say, when we count and point to each number as we count, that is called one-to-one correspondence. And that's a really good thing for kids to learn. They need to learn that. So that your pre-Ks can be working on that, and your kindergarten students can be working on that. So what kids often do when they learn to count is they start to go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and they're losing track. So one of the first things when you're counting is you want to make sure that they're getting in the one-to-one correspondence. They are pointing when they're saying the correct number. Also, you can put the big number in your head and say 18 plus 2, 19, 20. If you said 20, you are a rock star. Leia said it, Ashana said it, Kian said it, Alexis said it, Chelsea said it, Ziad said it. Amazing. Also, you can use your eyes and look, because we know this is 10. And when we count by 20s, we know this is 10 and 20. Okay, the last thing that I want to do just to wrap this up today, and you have done amazing, and thank you so much for bearing with us through our little bit of technical difficulties that we had. If you're watching us in replay on YouTube, you're lucky because you didn't have to see them. But stick with us because things are about to get exciting on YouTube. Okay, so we're going to wrap up this counting by twos and adding by twos lesson by doing some counting by twos just up to 20. So I want everyone to follow me, and I want you to say the numbers out loud with me when you see me do it. So let's count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. Great job, boys and girls. You did amazing today. Give yourself a pat on the back. I am super, super proud of you. Thank you so much. Parents, if you're watching, if you can do me a big favor and just share. Sharing is caring. So if you can share this out so we can reach a wider audience, that would be great. And if you're not currently following me on YouTube, if you can go to Hanging with Mrs. Hayward on YouTube and click the subscribe and the bell button, because some exciting things are coming there. And boys and girls, please tune back in tomorrow at 11 o'clock. I am super excited to be here with you and to see you. Thank you so much for bearing with me throughout the technical difficulties. You are amazing for that, and that filled my bucket because you supported me. So Mrs. Hayward is going to go now because I need to finish my coffee. So have a great day, boys and girls. Goodbye.